Alright folks, let's talk monkey bread. Picture this. Soft, fluffy balls of dough coated in a caramelized cinnamon sugar glaze, all baked to golden perfection. Sounds like heaven in a bun pan, right? Well, get ready to taste a slice of paradise. Oh, and don't forget your sense of adventure. First up, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients in the stand mixer bowl. Flour, sugar, salt, and instant yeast. It's like setting the stage for our doughy masterpiece. While our dry ingredients are mingling, let's whisk together our wet ingredients. Milk, eggs, melted butter, and a hint of vanilla extract. It's like creating the perfect flavor symphony. Alright kitchen wizards, it's time to work our dough magic. With the stand mixer on low speed, we're gonna pour our wet ingredients into the dry ones. Slow and steady wins the race here, folks. Mix it all up until you've got a beautiful dough forming before your eyes. Now let's kick things up a notch. Increase that mixer's speed to medium-low and let's give our dough a little TLC. We're talking about kneading, my friends. The secret to that soft, pillowy texture we all crave. Give it about 5 minutes of love or until it's as smooth and elastic as a warm hug. And hey, if it's feeling a bit sticky, don't sweat it. Just sprinkle in a little extra flour until it's feeling just right. But here comes the patience part. We're gonna tuck our dough baby into a cozy greased bowl. Cover it up with a clean kitchen towel or some plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm, happy place for about an hour. Trust me, you'll know it's ready when it's doubled in size and looking oh so tempting. Alright folks, while our dough is busy doing its thing and rising to glorious heights, let's whip up that irresistible cinnamon sugar coating. Grab yourself a shallow bowl and let's make some magic happen. Combine your granulated sugar and ground cinnamon and give it a good mix. Trust me, this is gonna take our monkey bread to a whole new level of deliciousness. Once our dough has doubled in size and is looking oh so proud of itself, it's time to give it a little punch. That's right, we're gonna gently deflate it to release all that built up air. Then it's time to get hands-on. Divide that dough into small pieces and shape them into adorable little balls about the size of golf balls. It's like sculpting mini masterpieces right in your kitchen. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button below. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single tasty episode. Now here comes the fun part, the cinnamon sugar dunk. Dip each dough ball into a pool of melted butter, then roll it around in our cinnamon sugar mixture until it's coated to perfection. Talk about sweet dreams coming true. Once our dough balls are all dolled up and ready to go, it's time to assemble our monkey bread tower. Grab that greased bundt pan and start layering those cinnamon coated dough balls in there like a boss. It's gonna look like a work of art, trust me. Now cover up that bundt pan with a clean kitchen towel and let those dough balls rise again. They're gonna puff up and get all cozy in there like little doughy clouds in the sky. Give them about 30-45 minutes to do their thing. By the way, let's whip up a quick glaze. In a small bowl, we'll whisk together powdered sugar, milk, and a hint of vanilla extract until it's smooth as silk. This glaze is gonna be the cherry on top of our already delicious creation. Into the oven they go, where they'll bake to golden perfection. It's like sending our dough babies off to their own little flavor paradise. Once our monkey bread is golden brown and smelling like heaven, it's time to work some serving magic. Let it cool in the pan for a few minutes, then gently invert it onto a serving plate. Drizzle that glaze all over the top and watch it disappear before your eyes. Serve up that monkey bread while it's still warm and get ready to enjoy every delicious bite. Trust me folks, this is gonna be a flavor explosion like no other. And just like that, our monkey bread masterpiece is complete. Golden, gooey, and oh so irresistible. It's like a little slice of heaven on a plate. Alright, moment of truth. Let's dig in and savor every delicious bite. Absolutely divine. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate monkey bread recipe straight from Kelvin's Kitchen. If you want to give this recipe a try yourself, head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to join our kitchen crew and never miss out on any of the tasty fun. Until next time, happy baking!